It's not like it's not technically a drop shot weight because it's a sliding weight.
Yeah.
And you know, just a cylinder and then like a 3-aught hook. That's all it is. Man, I'm switching. I'm going to a carry bait. You know. Nice. 2-pounder. I think that's 2 on the dot, man.
Just throw it on center. Do it.
Okay. Man, new.
Yeah, you caught it.
2 on the dot. You got colors. I was looking at the meta, like, man.
Yeah, she's not cheap, bro.
Yeah.
I had
See?
one?
Yeah.
There you go. Good, man. I got to get that tug out of the boat. Oh, yeah. You got him good, huh?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, you got him real good.
yeah, wrapped up with the plastic too.
Yeah.
Like the tail of the. I don't think it's super. Oh, it is.
Yeah, 12 inches.
Cool.
Put him on the scale.
Exactly 1 pound.
I think exactly 1 pound.
Exactly 1 pound or 15 ounces.
Exactly 1 pound.
Is it? Damn. Talk about the bare minimum. Okay. On the board, I guess. Let's put it out. That's it. That's all you can ask for. That's why you have to buy like 5 or 6 packs at a time.
Oh, it's good size, bro. Might need a net. Look like a 3-pounder.
Nice.
On the drop.
On the drop.
Yeah, on the drop.
That's
Damn. Quality fish right there.
That's either like 3 on the dot or 2.
Dude, I broke my chatterbait, dude.
What?
Yeah. Snapped.
What?
What?
Okay.
Damn, that's
So
my
maybe the evil is not that great.
that's my favorite color too.
At least you got a 3-pounder on it.
Damn.
Fire crawl, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy, dude.
Snap right off.
I've never seen a hook break on that.
For real.
On the chatterbait.
Maybe because too much snag on woods and shit, you know?
Yeah. Well, you beat around beat around docks and wood.
I need pliers. Yeah, get pliers right there, bro. Right here, yeah. In here somewhere. Gotta get the broken part out of his mouth. Can't leave it in there. There you
Oh,
go.
dude, he wanted it, huh?
Yeah.
Choked it.
Damn.
Wow.
Might go black and blue now. Black and blue chatterbait now, bro.
I think you have a fire crawl too.
Man.
If you want to use a fire crawl, huh?
Woo. Look.
No, it's the same thing like all the other, like all the other shallow water. Like,
Yeah.
It's gonna be the same.
3.6.
3.6. Almost 3. Hell yeah, dude. 3-pounder.
Hell yeah. Nice. It's all moving bait today, man. Yep. There it is. Nice looking fish. Right. Thank you for biting. Woo.
rotate this either. Stay on the top. And then just wiggle. I'm surprised, man. They had,
Oh, net, bro. Yeah. It's good size.
oh shit.
There you go. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. On the board.
Woo!
The 3.
Damn, another 3. That's what's up.
It's got big mouth.
Hear that, bro? You called it, man.
That's where they are, man. It's real beaver dams. This good.
Yeah.
£3 4 ounces.
3.8.
3.8.
Yes.
3.5 pounders.
Sitting at 11.97.
Almost. Just spawned too. 50?
60.
Oh, 60. Damn,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
So they are spawning.
Yeah. Back camera. That.
There it is. Because that girl looked like he's spawning.
That's a nice quality fish. Yeah, usually they're way fatter than this, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She looked like she was a full grown.
Yep. Oh man, that was fun.
I know. But they're dead, so it's okay. Oh, another one. Came off. It's like, yeah, it came off. It's like small bass. Yeah. It's all like males. Okay, another one. 1 pounders. Yeah. No, they're different. But the other one swam to the right. see this? She just laid her eggs.
Yeah. I'm sure that was a four before.
Yeah, she was a I can tell. Doesn't have a stomach, no belly. How many pounds you got now?
14.
You got me.
14.5.
So if I run out of stock, now I just replenish it with the other one? Come on. Here, I get it.
Got it.
Yep.
Over here trying to reel my shit in. I cast too far. Yeah, I cast all the way down.
I know. I just should have told you. It's like, it's good, man.
Oh, we're weighing him. That's a pole right there.
Think so? Do we have another 1 pounder? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn.
2-1.
Damn. Yeah. Deceived me. Guess so, yeah.
13.49 now.
Just gotta stepping up. Guess maybe this color is good.
Dude, that's a good color right now.
That's a note.
Ours 2-1 right now.
Yeah. Oh, 2 pounder?
2.1 is our smallest right now.
Yeah.
It's probably like a 1.
That's a 1. What I tell you? Dude, see, I told you, man. I don't get it. I don't get it.
Pounder? Yeah.
It's a 3. I lost.
Could be. Exactly 3 pounds.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Damn, so fun.
Sitting at 15.
Biggest. Hopefully not the biggest.
Okay, yeah, the day's not over, man.
I know.
You got time.
I got all day. Alright, let's go. Get back to work.
Love it. That color is legit, man.
I guess they just want the natural color. They don't want like fucking. There you go.
Another one? Ooh.
Oh, it came off. It's a 1 pound.
Just put the net in between, man.
Yeah.
That way, you know, never know, man. 5 pounder.
Which one is? Who's gonna have to?
5 pounder.
Yeah.
We're gonna need this net, man.
Or you gotta lead it. You gotta lead series that shit. say one time and then like
There you go, man.
every single one is gonna be right now.
You got what you asked for?
I redacted what I said earlier. I don't want to lose. Nah, it's fine. It's not gonna. Another 2.5.
There you go. That's a good one for the camera. Dude, that color is just killing it, man.
Yeah. You can buy 8 of these.
Yeah.
And you know you're gonna.
Shit, bro.
I don't know if like when you go to a shopping cart. There you go. Finally.
Finally.
Here, let's just come back here. For this action.
Yes, sir. Just gotta get used to it.
Scoreboard.
Too bad all our big bass was caught earlier.
You know, it
Yes,
makes
sir.
it different though. Like small baby bass. Keep on there. 2.5 maybe. It's still rocking them, dude. They're still eating.
I know.
That'd be a nice one. Almost the end of the day.
Skinny guy.